I don't know where this leads, but we have decided to just keep going forward instead of trying to turn around and risk getting stuck. So here we go, we'll see.
All right, we're going over a river right now. It's very sketchy. I don't really like this. I don't know what we should do.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright, alright, 'cause I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free.
Hello, click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please click please click the like button as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Just put a thumbs up or subscribe on Instagram. Put a thumbs down if you haven't already.
Good morning. It is our third day in Iceland. We are going to start our van journey today. They're coming to pick us up in about 3 minutes. So we are just getting our luggage downstairs and I'm gonna go pick up our van. So we are here about to join our van. They picked us up in the shuttle. Super easy, quick 5-minute ride from the hotel. If you are interested in what van life is going to be like in Iceland, stay tuned. Okay, so this is our itinerary for today. We're going to start here on the south end of the island out of the airport, drive through Reykjavik, and then our first stop is going to be the hot spring thermal river. And then we're going to go to Crater Lake. After that, go see the geysers. And then if we have time, we're going to go to Gulllfoss Falls. And then we'll end our night here at the fjord camping site. Of course, they have a little kids corner, like every place in Iceland. Colors. Okay, we picked up our van, and we're going to show you guys that later on, so stay tuned for that. Right now, we're going to Bonus to get some groceries. If you know anything from our last video, eating out's very expensive, and so we are going to try to save a little bit of money by stocking our camper full of food. So that's where we're going right now. This is the main grocery store here. It's called Bonus. Okay, we just left the grocery store, and of course, the total was 20,000 Icelandic dollars. I don't even want to know how much that is in US dollars, but food is so expensive here, it's unbelievable. And then of course shopping with two toddlers that want everything on the shelves is also pretty stressful, but we're going to get everything in the van now and get everything settled and then hit the road for our Iceland adventure. I don't know what we should do. Guess we're gonna go for it. So this is our first huge mistake. The van GPS told us to turn down this road to get to the thermal hot springs, and it turned out to be an F road, highly dangerous, especially for not being in a four-wheel drive. I think there would be an F road sign, but there is no signs. I don't understand. Oh man, we're going over a river right now. It's very sketchy. I don't really like this. This is definitely not the way. Why would their GPS take me here?
I don't know. This is like so sketchy. Well, we are definitely on our first adventure here in Iceland, that's for sure, because we were following our GPS to these springs that are supposed to be amazing, and our GPS took us, the GPS is from the van rental company, and it took us on this really sketchy, unpaved road with like these huge rocks, and it's like not maintained or anything, and there's no way to like turn around or anything. It's like a one-way basically, and we don't have a 4-wheel drive van, and I think only 4-wheel drives are supposed to drive on here, and I don't even know how those can drive on here because it's like really, really bumpy and really, really sketchy. So I don't know where this leads, but we have decided to just keep going forward instead of trying to turn around and risk getting stuck. So here we go, we'll see. Well, we finally decided to turn around on the sketchy gravel road. We found a spot that we were able to turn around on. The GPS told us to turn right, and the road was just got smaller. It was a fork in the road, but it was like really narrow, even more narrow than this one. So we're like, you know, it just started to rain. This is just really sketchy. So we're gonna turn around and go back on the main road, paved road.
All right, so this happened. Number 2, we followed the GPS to Gulllfoss, and this is where it took us. Gulllfoss, mind you, is supposed to be this massive waterfall. This is Gulllfoss town center, not Gulllfoss waterfall. So you have to be extremely, extremely careful and double check the GPS and be very intentional with what you type in. We also figured out the reason why it tried to take us down that gravel road is because we had Reykjavik Thermal River instead of Reykjavik Thermal River parking lot trailhead. So you have to be extremely careful and double check everything you type in.
Then you will reach your destination.
We finally made it to our first destination successfully.
3rd time's a charm.
3rd time
your
was a
destination.
charm today, yes.
Right.
Oh, people, other people. We know we're in the right spot. So this is called Carrad Crater.
All right, we made it. Wow. This is amazing. Okay, so we just got back in the van. It was pretty cool. It's just kind of like, you know, you look at it, take it in for a few minutes, and then you kind of move on to the next thing. It's not an all-day attraction or anything like that. And it's really windy and really cold. Obviously, we're in Iceland, so of course it is. So we just looked at it for a few minutes, and now we're off to the next thing, which is going to be the Geyser. And Kennedy, of course, fell asleep as soon as we got in the parking lot, so we just left her in the van. Alicia obviously stayed in the van with her.
I stayed in the van with her. We did not leave her in the van, but I just did a little bit of cleaning up back there because, you know, with kids, it gets messy in 30 seconds. But here we go.
Okay, so we are at the Geyser now.
I don't want my hood on.
You're so cute. No, but now you messed up your
Only one see things open wide. Only one see things.
Okay, look at me, Kennedy. Look at mommy.
You ready, bub? You know where we are? Where? What's this place called? Yeah, but where are we at in Iceland? The Geyser. So first thing I notice is it's silent here. There's no noise at all. My ears kind of hurt because it's so quiet. Wow, it's beautiful.
Hello.
We are walking to the restroom real quick, but you can see it already smoking. So all the restaurants and everything are closed, including the bathroom, because it's 9 o'clock at night. You wouldn't know it because the sun's still up.
Say Geyser.
No, it's not. It's kind of warm. It smells like sulfur though, that's for sure. Funny, we thought that we found the geyser, but actually it was nothing according to the map. we did not see anything, so we're walking in there now. Really look for signs. That's my number one tip, and follow the maps that are on the signs. For your reference, go through the white gates to see Geyser. Something else, this is totally free, which is surprising to me, considering that the volcano crater charged $3 per person. It just erupted. That was so cool. I'll get it next time. Make sure you follow her on Instagram, Alicia Garcia Family Vlog. Interesting, they found all these rocks.
You wanna build with these?
I will. We can't pass by a playground and not stop.
Alright, so Geyser was definitely way cooler than I thought it was going to be. So highly, highly recommend it. Don't miss. This is awesome. One-lane bridge. Wow.
You see the waterfall, guys? Out the window?
So we are implementing a new rule. We put our boots there, wipe our feet off, put our boots there, so we don't have shoes inside the cabin except for Bobby.
You're welcome.
We're walking to the waterfall. What's the name of this waterfall?
Gulllfoss, I think.
It's on the
Gulllfoss.
I can see the top of it. It's kind of strange we don't hear it though. Think that you could hear it.
Yeah, it's like it's only loud if you're like close enough. No, let's go this way, towards me. Okay, guys, say cheese.
So you can actually walk down there on this trail. So that's where we're gonna go. Check it out down there.
walk all the way to the farthest, as far as we could go. This is amazing to feel the power of the waterfall. We're gonna hold it out. Cheese. You guys are the best. You see them?
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is just amazing. And you will get wet, so dress accordingly. Here's information about this waterfall if you are interested. You can go to pause the video and read it. It's 10 o'clock at night and we were the only ones at the waterfall except for one other family, but they're gone now. Gotta catch my breath after hiking up that mountain, but I was saying we are the only ones here right now. Okay, we are tired and hungry, so we are going to go to our campsite. It's about 25 minutes away. They have a swimming pool and a hot tub and a playground. And I'll put the name down below what it's called because there's no way I can pronounce it.
We're going over another crazy bridge over a rushing river. Hold on, Baba. Wow.
Okay, we made it to the campsite. There's a river right here that's warm. There's bathrooms and showers, and there's a playground right there. Alright, they are cooking us some tacos and rice and beans. And me and Conrad are watching the YouTube movie. Right, they're eating some cheese quesadillas right now and watching a movie. We are about to make the same thing for us and then pass out. Need some rice.
Anything is good right now, but this was easy to make.
We're gonna close out our vlog now, go to bed, and we wake up tomorrow for another adventure in Iceland.